So today's eating challenge topic is about sound. So I got a few prototypes for some experiments about sounds, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a sound amplifier just by using a box. For the experiment, you only need a box and a loudspeaker. But here's the thing. Before you want to go into the experiment, you need to know how it works. So to put it simply, I'm going to be using this game to teach you how sound waves works. So initially, the particles are at rest in all over the place. But when something vibrates, or when a loudspeaker vibrates, the particles move, causing sound to be formed. So without the box, the watch sound goes directly into our ears. But with the box, the watch is below, and the sound can bounce off the walls of the box, and then it can eventually reach our ears. So each bounce makes the sound louder and louder. So the sound that goes into our ears is much louder than without the box. The concept that I mentioned just now is called an echo. So the rough idea of the experiment is to have a box and a watch, and if I put the watch inside of the box, the sound is supposed to bounce off the box as I mentioned earlier. So this could also work with a phone or anything that gives out some sound. So I'm going to on the music without the box. And if I put it into the box, it's going to be denser and louder. Additionally, even after you put the watch into the box, you can have a long tube and put it near your ear so that it can be louder. So basically, this is my prototype with a long tube and a box and a watch inside. But is there any way to make it better? So when I was thinking, I thought that we could make a cover for this thing beside this long tube, and then the sound can vibrate onto the walls on top of here as well, and it will not escape as easily. And you can put the long tube near your ears so that the sound can be even louder. So I think we should try that. So simply just by making a 5-minute design, I'm able to make the sound louder. So I just need to put the long tube in and on my music and slot in my watch. It might seem softer, but if you put the tube near your ear, it's going to be much louder than before. So I've come to the end of my presentation, and I hope you like my design of the sound amplifier.